Hello, welcome to Repairs Rule. I'm Dave, and I thought it'd be a good idea to tell you what this channel is all about, and also to give you a little bit of a about me and my background. So, as we all know, we can have fun and games in life until something breaks. When that happens, repairs rule our lives until we get it fixed. Thus the channel name, Repairs Rule. But see, there's more I wanted to tell you about. My wife and I owned and operated a retail business for 40 years. And my business started as a bicycle shop and it turned into a recumbent trike specialty store. Now, I retired in 2022 from my store. Well, some of my friends say not retired, but redirected because of my side hustles. Now, for the retired friends out there, if you're not aware of what a side hustle is, it's simply ways that you can make extra money online. And I enjoy helping others in building up their own side hustles. So therefore, I will also have some videos on here to help boost your retirement income or boost anyone's income. And also, I have lots of hobbies. I love to hunt, fish, travel, and camping in our RV. So, if you're interested in the endeavors of a 69-year-old Christian retired guy that has experience in many things, I would like to personally invite you along for the ride. And I'd also really appreciate your input. If you have any questions, business or side hustles or repairs or anything, or there are videos that you would like to see, please leave them in the comments below and I will see what I can do. Oh, one other thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.